Okay, I guess we're back. Hi everybody, I'm Shauna and this is Ring of Light Grass. Welcome. We are back. We just finished one paint pour and that was the red, black, and white, which came out pretty awesome. I can't wait to put a top coat on it and just see it shine. Anyways, I told you I got these from Dot & See. I did use it for a palette. Kind of crazy, I know, huh? Right, but it was handy and I needed to paint, so that's just me. So anyways, these are at the Dollar Tree, okay? What, $1.08? $1. Can't beat it. 8 cents tax, $1 for the little arrow here that you make into your little sign. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut this off. And again, everything I had here except for my scissors. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's go right ahead and take this off. Because we do not need this. Or a little tag. Alright. Get rid of the string. Now I'm going to go ahead and lower you guys. So that, oh there it is. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to lower you down, so watch your beautiful eyes. Put the tape back on here so my camera don't fall. And watch your eyes. Down we go. Okay guys, if you hear music, it's not mine. Okay, oh, allergies are just literally still kicking my butt. I'm so sorry. I need to I'll deal with my allergies here. I didn't take my allergy medicine. First thing you do, guys, is put on protective gear, okay? If you have any type of allergies and you are using that product that you have an allergy to, please, please, please take precautions. I am using something that I do have an allergy to, so of course I want to make sure that I am safe. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, once again, is this is our little arrow. See, I really did use it for canvas, or tablet, whatever. We're going to add a little bit of black. My brain can't think this morning. Samson's telling on me. We don't need too much. We learned that from the last one. We can go right ahead and just use our same brush. Just cover it up. Don't worry about it, once again, going down the sides, because you want those edges covered, okay? So if it's dripping down the sides, don't worry. It really is okay. It's not going to cause any problems. If anything, it'll just help with your design and make it easier for you in the long run. So I'm going to actually try to get as much of those sides as I can, because I can't see the side that you guys can see better than me. Okay, so now that we got that part going, let me grab a tissue. Get that off my hands so I don't end up wiping on my face or anything. Go away. Okay, so the two colors we're going to use, well, three I should say, because we got black. I am going to go ahead, I'm going to add the orange that, like I said, I'm very fond of oranges. I don't know, it just gives you this bright, brilliant color. We're going to go ahead and add some orange right in here. Just enough. Remember, we don't need to put a lot because it really is a small canvas. We just put our orange right in there. And we do have black there. I'm just going to add my white right on top. And I'm not going to add as much white this time. Let's see what happens. We are going to go ahead and take our black. Not going to add it in here. We're going to add just a little pile right here. And now we're going to take our color. And we're just going to slowly, you know what? Let's just pour it. Nice and slow. Round and round we go. Can you guys see how cool that looks? I just love how this stuff looks. And we'll go ahead and just kind of walk it around. Yes, Samson, we love you too, honey. Okay. We just kind of did little ringlets over our little canvas here. And now let's see what we get. Looks like a lot of orange. And not enough white. So we will find out. Just start pouring it edge to edge. Covering your edges. Get my little hand out of the way here. And let's see if we even get anything we want. We may go ahead and just add white or something right to the top. I love the color. I have to admit that. I'm so fond of this color. Oh, looky here. That's one bad thing about paints. Like this, sometimes you might get little bubbles. If that's it, we want the bubbles because we want them to pop. But little chunks of paint. Okay, guys, and I'm not liking this. I'm not seeing the colorations that I want. I'm not seeing cells. Sometimes it's a fell. So, we're going to add white right into our little container here. And we're just going to pour maybe some black on top. We're simply going to try to get cells. If it's a fell, it's a fell. If it's not, alright, we made it. But we're just going to add some white and some black. And we're just going to add it right in the middle. It's okay if it's not a success. It really is okay. Because you can always do something later. Okay. I still don't want to hide all my orange because I love orange. Okay, we do have some cells coming, so that's a good sign. I guess I just didn't have enough white. And now I may have too much white. I'm going to lose all my orange. That's okay. Ah, see, this is what I'm talking about with the paint. Sometimes getting little pieces in there that shouldn't be there. Let's see if we can get rid of some of the white. Just pull it down this way. And you know what, guys? We're not going to get the design I was truly hoping for. Not at all. Hunks of paint's in there. Alright, so you know what? Let's see what we did get. Let me get this off of me. Try not to get it on my skin. There we go. Let me get rid of this. Let's just see what we got. Alright. Once again, I'm going to turn this on low. Low heat. Those little pieces that came out of the paint, I don't like that. I want those out. We're getting little tiny cells. You know what? It's more cracking than anything. So we'll go ahead and just make this into a crackle because we're not going to get cells for whatever reason. Maybe I didn't shake the orange well enough. I'm not sure, but we're not going to get them. So we're just going to crack it, because I do have the glue in there, so we can make it crackle, and that'll look for itself. See how the paint's cracking? It's going to look interesting. It's going to have a total dividing here. We have like tiny, tiny cells here. Nothing even enough to worry about. Yeah, there was something in that paint. Oh well. You know what's cool about the crackling, you guys? I'll tell you once this is off. Just a few more seconds here. Now let's get some of this orange to crack. At least the white of the orange yolk. You can get it cracked right through here, a little bigger than that. Alright. Alright. So, as you can tell, let me raise you guys up. Well, not quite. Let me show you something. Let me bring you a little closer. Alright. As you can tell, see the little crackles in this, you guys? That's what I'm talking about, cracking. Sometimes projects are a fail. It just doesn't work, and that's just the way it goes. Let me raise you up. Watch your beautiful eyes. Here we go. For those that are new at this, sometimes it just doesn't work. And it could be because the mixer didn't get mixed properly. The paint was too old. I didn't shake it well enough, which is probably what I did. Knowing me, that's exactly what I did. But you know what? I won't say this is a fail. It's a fail as far as getting the cell mask that I wanted, like we did in the red one, or the blue one I previously did. But as far as the design, it's pretty bloody awesome. And we went ahead and made it crack. So once it dries, in those cracks, we can paint them. We can take in, this is acrylic, we can bring in more acrylic, or we can bring in oils, and we can just make our own creations out of it. We can turn those cracks into lakes, rivers, mountains, puppy paws. The only limitation is your own imagination. So this is not a fail. It's not as good. It's not what I was hoping for, but it's not a fail. So that just means that this is just a beginning. There's another step until we get something amazing that we want out of it. So anyways, guys, thank you so very much for joining me today. And let me know what you think. Should I just throw it away, or should I go ahead and see what we can do with it? Anyways, guys, as always, be blessed. Bye.